going on, guys? Bankroll Btc here, and what we're looking at is a bullish kind of move to the uprise to the towards that 21k level. This trend line right here, this bottom white line right here, it's been a huge help. It's acting as a significant resistance point towards that. It's still looking like a W reversal pattern right here. We call these a W reversal pattern because it does hit a bottom up to a high, straight back to a bottom. Particularly, we don't really know the circumstances of this. If we continue moving towards a bullish divergence, or if we just come straight back down to the 18.4 level. It's quite a mystery here, but it's been some time since we've hit any major levels of resistance that were previously met as all-time highs. Not all-time highs, but these highs over here at the 21k, or possibly up to that 24k on a 3-time short, which a lot of people use as basically use as a way of leveraging money. So they're using money they don't have and leveraging it and making more money than what people that don't margin with. We could either honestly go two ways here. First of all, we drop back down to this bearish bullish trend, where we make higher lows up to that 21k, or we can straight up just go right at it right now. Either way, it's definitely a hold up until we get to that 21.5 level. Don't sell. If you are selling, you're selling a short position of profits. But that's just Bitcoin. And whatever Bitcoin does, it will affect all coins. Now let's look at Matic. Now I could be very much wrong on the Matic levels here, but historically, let's look at where this exact pattern has happened. It has happened right here. Let's see, let me get that pen out. Right here. Okay. And that's coming in from a bounce that we had. Now it didn't happen as drastically here, but we did get something of that triangle, that pattern that we're kind of looking for. 9%, right? Let's look at this. This one was obviously a little bit more. 10%. That's not even from the tip. Let me get that from the tip. 12%. Now, if Bitcoin goes on that run to 24k, I think that we can get that 50-60% bounce that we always get from Matic. Matic treats us really well when it comes to making money. That's for sure. AVAX getting this cup and handle. Now we can either bounce. This is all surrounding Bitcoin, right? This 1855 was a previous level of resistance. We hit it there. We hit it once there, twice there. Let's see if we hit it again. We hit it there. All right, this is a level where we either go above it, we kind of consolidate within this range, or once we move out of it, we get towards a breakout point. And the question is, are we going to see that here? Are we going to see that move up to $51? And that's the big question. That's what everyone is asking. Are we going to get this massive crypto run that we got last year? Now, I'm not too sure. You know, different economic scenarios compared to last year. You know, these stupid gas prices weren't at this insane of price. Inflation was just a topic of interest that, you know, we dabbled with. We understood that it was occurring, but, you know, it wasn't actually really happening. Those are all big contributing factors towards the whole macro evolution of the economy. So, I mean, either way, let me get this daily. If you've bought crypto right now, you bought it at a significant discount compared to a year ago. Right? Right here. Valued at $160. Now, was it? No. But either way, as an economist, as an investor, we're looking for those significant discounts in crypto. That's nearly 90%. And what I've seen with crypto is that a lot of the times the technical analysis always wins. When it comes to the news, whatever pops up on these little news things from Apple about FTX, a few billion to support industry, how FTX is on the rise, crypto.com, Binance. It all kind of usually is construed in order to make the technical analysis correct. You know, stuff like this, stuff that's pumped out up into the people, in my opinion, is always timed. These people are smarter than us, alright? These people, they're money hungry, bloodthirsty people. Go ahead and read this. Trying to cover up a little bit of crypto news, not just the technical analysis, but I think it's important for people to also understand what is going on in the mainstream. So Backman Fried 30, who is from California but lived in the Bahamas, where FTX is based. That's interesting. Likely because of the electricity bill that is compared to a place from like California. Significantly lower, probably. He has become crypto's white knight in recent weeks, throwing lifelines to digital asset platforms which have altered as cryptocurrencies have cratered. Bitcoin is now down around 70% from its all-time November high, from nearly 69,000. That's just something that the media uses to scare people. We're strange to drive that price low because they always know that, at least now, with the heavily amount of volume, people are going to be getting into crypto. Kids, adults, kids and adults alike, all these people want to get into the new get-rich-quick scheme of the future. And as time progresses, those people start to get more smarter. They start to understand the market more. And that's the difference between people who sell and don't sell. People that sell, you're always going to lose money. Simple as that. Bankman Fried's crypto trading firm, Alameda Research, gave crypto lender Voyager Digital $200 million cash and stablecoin revolving credit facility and a facility of Bitcoin, as the company faced losses from exposure to crypto hedge fund Three Arrow Capital. On Wednesday, Voyager filed for bankruptcy. Also in June, FTX handed U.S. cryptocurrency lender BlockFi a $250 million revolving credit facility, and on Friday announced a deal giving FTX the right to purchase it based on certain performance triggers. The goal of the bailout was to protect customer assets and stop contagion from ricocheting through the system. Bankman Fried said, "Having trust with consumers that things will work as advertised is incredibly important, and if broken, is incredibly hard to get back." I think they're just kind of riding this guy's balls right now. How he saved some little... what did he support? An industry fucked up by hedge funds? Whatever that means, but... Let's see. Oh, look at that Central America. It hasn't worked. Who would have thought? Did they think that everyone has a Bitcoin wallet? I wonder how that works. I wonder what they use. I feel like that'd be a pain in the ass. One day, you're trying to buy a mango, and Bitcoin is tanking, and every day it's just ladies selling it for less. She's like, what the fuck? I'm getting less money for this mango. What the fuck? So she has to charge it more every single day. She just has to increase the price of the mango to make up for the declining price. She's like, the Venezuelan dollar, it's already highly inflated. A mango's 1,000 Venezuelan dollars. By the time Bitcoin crashed 20K, it's 4,000 Venezuelan dollars, whatever they fucking use. El Salvador. I don't know who would visit El Salvador in the first place. Plenty of other places you could visit, no offense. Like Guatemala. No, Guatemala's a shithole as well. No, see, we just want to pay with Bitcoin because it's the first country in Central America that accepted it. So we just want to see our curiosity if it is simple to use as everyone claims. Later. Almost later we had to pay with cash instead because despite the business saying it accepted Bitcoin, the waitress didn't understand how to use it. That's the thing. It's hard, but then it's not hard at the same time. It's not until you actually understand what you're talking about. It's like an old person trying to just use their card, and they don't get that there's a tapping feature, there's a chip feature. You could either swipe it and it's just a big mess. especially when not everyone understands. Once those two people understand, it's a little easier. But I mean, that's been Bitcoin BTC, bankroll BTC, and I hope this technical analysis gave some sort of light to you, whatever you're doing. If you're investing, good luck. It is always a gamble. Looking for this potential bounce. Hopefully we get around here. Make sure that we don't buy right now. I think it's good to wait because there's always that potential for, BTC still kind of dropping back down, just to make sure that bullish momentum is still there. That's always a good thing, making those higher lows. I know this chart's a little messy, but hopefully it plays out that way. I hope it does. I want that W reversal. Hopefully we can get out of it. What we're looking for after basically is to use this 21K as resistance. Start using it as resistance and get back to that 24K. But that's just been my analysis. Bankroll BTC. I'll see you guys later.